An important thing to visit is the commonly used special function tab. Once you have connected to your vehicle, especially if it's a BMW, you have this interesting selection with all of the functions that you will normally use working on these vehicles: service resets, brake pad change, steering angle learning, registration of the battery, DPF regeneration, immobilizer, you're not doing it on the BMW, injector coding, suspension matching, I don't think so, transmission learning, sunroof initialization, headlamp matching, yes, EGR self-learning, window initializing, yes, seat calibration, not that much important and relevant for the BMW, AC initialization, not really, battery, coolant replacement, that one doesn't sound that right. Whatever you're doing, first check if that function is available in the commonly used special functions. If not, special function in the menu of the vehicle, not in the special function tab at the beginning, because if you go out of here and you go to these ones, you will notice that it's quite strange, the layout that they have. Once you switch it to this more normal layout, you might be confused with functions that are for other vehicles. This was the MUCAR 892BT. Additional content on the channel might be useful for you guys. Make sure to subscribe and from time to time join the live Q&A sessions. That is where you can ask me all the strange questions that you might think about. See you there. See you in the next one.